Hi guys, Rams here. So right here, right now, I have this chocolate called Tony Chocolonely. Yeah, it's called Tony Chocolonely. Yeah, this chocolate. Yeah. So technically, this chocolate is what I read about, come across, and even tasted myself. Right, it's very tasty. The chocolate is not that sweet, but actually, it has its own uniqueness, I would say. So let's do this and let's unwrap this up, okay? All right, what I know is that uh, this is a this is the chocolate that is actually very strange. This chocolate is actually uniquely strange because I don't see any other chocolate doing this kind of packaging, like a message. You see? About the design of the chocolate, it's also unique. It's very it's has its own. So for this chocolate, okay, all right guys, it is been said that the chocolate resembles a broken nation of Africa, if I'm not wrong, Africa. So this is the chocolate. I only opened half of it, so let's have a taste. Let me have a taste of it. So yeah, this is milk chocolate, guys. Milk chocolate. Mm. Mm. The taste flavor is not like those you found in the supermarket. This is different. Okay, you guys got to try this. No, no, no excuse. This is a very tasty chocolate. You know, the moment I bite onto it, I want it more. So, go ahead and get it yourself. Okay, get it. Don't wait.